Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I am Velitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, jumping right into this video, we are doing Jojo Siwa Easter Baskets. So yeah, remember I got that big art set in my 90% off haul. If you don't watch the video, I will link it above. But I'm basically distributing everything out of this huge art set that was Jojo Siwa into 3 different gift baskets. I even had a couple pieces left over to do another basket. So basically right now I'm just distributing all of the goodies that were in that little gift set into 3 different baskets, and anything that was in the plastic like this, I literally just left it in there and just cut it out, and I'm going to use it just like that, and it'll help me keep everything organized and have bigger items. That way I don't have to figure out how to display it. So of course I'm starting out with my bamboo skewer, and I got this little, it's something like a little cosmetic case with a mirror inside. Got that from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use that to help me build the base, which is in the middle, because we're doing a double-sided basket for this one. And then I got these toothbrushes from Dollar Tree last year. I got quite a few things from Dollar Tree. Those tattoos as well from last year when everything was still $1. So I'm going to go ahead and use those. And as you see, that plastic works out well for me, and it helps me to display those little markers so easily. And I just tape them to, you know, the little cosmetic case. So then I got that Jojo Siwa pen as well from Dollar Tree, and these stickers were already in the art set, so I went ahead and just distributed them and just set them in the gift basket up nicely. And then you see that last piece I cut out, and I put it on the other side as well. And I'm just adding this iridescent shred. I really like this for Easter. It's not really Easter grass, but it's very similar. So then I take these lip glosses, lip balms that came from Dollar General, 90% off, paid 50 cents for the whole pack, and I'm just including all the little things in here. Filled the eggs with candy and just filling in with the lip glosses. We just want to fill in everywhere to make it look a little fuller, adding candy, and then we're going to add glitter, of course, to top it off. So I'm just going back and forth. Basically anywhere I see spaces, I'm filling in candy, and this candy was left over from Valentine's, so I was able to use that candy to just fill in, and yeah, so I didn't have to worry about buying any more candy. Whatever I had left over for Valentine's, I'm using for Easter. So of course I'm wrapping up my basket as y'all always see me do. I will link these bags down below, as well as the Easter baskets. That basket, of course, I got from Walgreens. They were $1. Well, no, they were 99 cents, but I'll link them down below, but they were linked in the last video as well. And this is what the basket is looking like. And yeah, super easy. Just, you know, I'm just going to go ahead right now and only shrink wrap the bottom. I like the bottom of my bags fitted, so that's why I do that. And then I'm making my little struggle bow. I'm still working on this. My sis Felicia is teaching, you know, she's teaching us how to make the bows. I do not make bows, but I am trying. So you guys see me make my little bow for this. I got that from Dollar General for $1, and I actually cut it in half. That way I can get 2 bows out of the roll. And I'm just tying it down here, and then you'll see me adjust it just to fluff it out so it's not flat or anything like that. So yeah, my little bow did all right. I could have did more loops probably and did them smaller, but that was my first time making a hand bow, so thank you for that, sis. And then I'm just curling my ribbon, and I'm going to put a pull bow on the back. And I know you guys are going to ask, this basket is actually going for $30. And yeah, so the whole gift set was $11, distributed between 3 baskets, had a couple pieces left. Each basket is going for $30. So that is the finished look for this basket. So Jojo Siwa, we actually have 2 editions of this, so I may make a part 2 to show you the other basket that I made with the bigger toys, but this is the one with the smaller items, the coloring items mainly in this one. So yeah, If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And one more thing. So, you guys, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. We are well past 500 subscribers, but I'm just getting to doing this giveaway. So stay tuned so that you can get the instructions for the giveaway. So I'm going to link the video that I want you guys to go to for the giveaway. So I will link the video down below. Click the link, go to the video, look for my comment. I made a comment, look for it, read the comment, and follow the instructions for the giveaway. So you'll have to go to the Instagram account, do what it says, and when you're finished, comment under the same video and let me know that you're done. All right, you guys, till next time, stay crafty.